Free Brothers, they'll get it in. It's like when I got that Ming GT40, and they start out at $400, and then he'll have it for 6 months, and then I bought it for $225. So I'm hoping he'll blow those out in 6 months for oh man, they want to get it.
On the dump truck, I take it the bed is not chrome this time?
No, it would be chrome on here if it was chrome.
Good. When's this due out?
Well, this is a complete kit, so it probably will be within a month or so.
When?
Month or so.
About a month or so, okay. Cool. Looking forward to that. When's the Mustang coming out?
Latest word I get is June.
Yeah.
That's what Germany told me.
Yeah.
Last communication with them, it said June.
Okay.
Because I tried to get a first production kit for this show, and he said, I don't have them yet, it's looking like June.
Yeah. Okay. What about the bass boat and
there again, that's probably within the month,
yes,
because
this
it's
is
a
a full
packed out
box.
kit. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Any other good news coming out? Anything else?
This chopper.
I got the chopper.
Yeah, people
that's been
have
out
that.
for a little while.
Yeah. So we're starting to get some items rolling out.
Good. Oh, when's the Peterbilt 359 coming out?
Boy, I keep hearing, I can't say at this point. I've had that on display for a long time.
Yep,
And
you have.
I haven't seen it yet, and I can't. It's like the one below it. They tell me that's actually molded up and stuff, and why it can't get to market. So I don't know.
Okay.
Best I can.
All right.
Wish I could.
I understand.
Some they give me a good idea on, others
Yeah.
they're vague.
Okay. Well, thank you.